Hello there, my name is Andrew Bulpin, Head of Process Solutions at MilliporeSigma. In this series of videos entitled All In with Bulpin, we will be discussing a number of key topics around our industry today. I am joined by Merrilee Whitney, Head of our BioContinuum platform, and our topic today will be Biopharm 4.0. So first question, your starter for 10. The pharmaceutical industry is undergoing a transformation as it enters Biopharma 4.0. What must organizations do to adapt?
So I think it's really important for organizations to look at what the changes are required in order to achieve Biopharma 4.0, right? They need to make a step change in how they produce biologics. And so they need to look at things like process intensification, software and automation, data analytics, and single-use implementation as well.
How will the transformation to Biopharma 4.0 impact skill sets? How are we building this capacity for the future?
It's actually about taking a different perspective, Andrew. I think rather than looking at individual technologies or individual process steps, we need to take a step back and have the skill sets in our teams that are able to look at the big picture, look across multiple technologies, and also incorporate the automation and analytics capabilities.
Absolutely. So you mentioned the BioContinuum platform's key pillars. How will this revolutionize drug manufacturing?
Really, it's about the convergence of those four pillars that I think is what's going to be revolutionary. Instead of looking at things in silos, we have these different capabilities and technologies all coming together.
So tell me more about these 4 C's.
First is control. How do we control our individual unit operations? How do we make sure that's fit for the capabilities of the future that our customers need? Second, we need to be able to connect the different unit operations from a digital perspective, so they're all working together in harmony. Third, we need to look at collecting the data. And it's not just about collecting the data, but how do our customers use that to make decisions? And finally, how do we collaborate with our customers to enable that environment?
Okay, so control,
connect,
collect, collaborate.
Excellent.
The 4 C's. Okay, what else does the industry need to keep in mind on the road to Biopharma 4.0?
I think it's really the fact that a lot of the technologies that are required for Biopharma 4.0 don't exist today yet. And so what's really going to be required is a strong collaboration between suppliers such as ourselves, the manufacturers, and the regulators. That collaboration will be absolutely vital.
Got it. Okay. And finally, what do you believe is the most important key point of differentiation when it comes to Biopharma 4.0 for our company?
I think for us in particular, it's our strong application and process knowledge that we'll be able to impart not only to the process steps and technologies we're developing, but bringing that knowledge to process automation and the data analytics, understanding that environment in which our customers will be using those tools.
Merrilee, thank you very much for your participation today and for helping educate me on Biopharma 4.0. Really very interesting discussion. And for all of our viewers out there, please join us next time for All In with Bulpin. Thank you. See you.